Story: A new start in a new city. David arrives in a new city early in the morning. He looks around and sees tall buildings, busy streets, and many cars. Everything feels different, and he feels a little nervous, but also excited. This is his first week in the city. He moved here for a new job as a delivery driver. He does not know the area very well yet, but he is ready to learn. On his first day of work, David wakes up at 6 a.m. He takes a shower, gets dressed, and eats a quick breakfast. Then he checks his phone to see his delivery route for the day. He gets into his van and starts driving. At first, everything is going well. He follows the GPS and delivers his first few packages without any problems. After some time, he arrives at a new address. He looks at the houses, but he cannot find the right one. He checks the address again. Still nothing. David feels a little stressed. He does not want to be late. So, he decides to call the customer. "Hello, this is David. I have your package, but I can't find your house," he says. The customer replies, "No problem. Turn left at the next street, then look for a blue house with a white door." David follows the directions carefully. After a few minutes, he sees the blue house. He smiles and says, "Finally." He parks the van, takes the package, and walks to the door. He knocks. The customer opens the door and smiles. "Thank you for your help," David says. "You're welcome," the customer replies. "Have a great day." David feels proud. He solved the problem and completed the delivery. Later that day, he continues his route. With each delivery, he feels more confident. He starts to understand the streets better. In the afternoon, he stops for a short break. He sits in his van, drinks some water, and relaxes for a few minutes. He thinks about his day. "At first, I was nervous," he says to himself. "But now, I feel much better." After the break, he finishes his deliveries. When he is done, he returns to the station. His manager looks at him and smiles. "Good job today," the manager says. David smiles back. "Thank you. I'm learning every day." That night, David goes home and feels tired, but happy. He knows this is just the beginning. He lies in bed and thinks about tomorrow. "A new day, new deliveries, and new experiences," he says quietly. Then he closes his eyes and falls asleep, ready for another day in his new life.